Get her, Abby. Get her. Get him. Get him.
Kids never forget their first helmet. Chevrolet believes nothing is more important than safety. That's why working.
It's like Scooby-Doo the way she read those always.
Abby.
Safe on the road, safe on the ice.
She's crazy.
My husband and I own a dairy farm.
Get him. Get him, Abby. Go get him.
Our employees aren't just employees.
Come on. Get him.
My husband had an accident. It was a big shock for everyone. When he came back home, he was pretty beaten up.
His ears are just back, eh?
Felt chewed up.
And your favorite. Yep. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Are you looking for something?
Get him.
Yes. I'm looking for
Get him. Are you done? Give him more. Are you done? Did you do good? Did you do good? Yeah? You did a good job? You beat the shit out of him? Is he done? He comes back smiling. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hey! Oh!